How to delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. As you can see, we're now in the iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. As you can see, there is a duplicate set of contacts. Tap on the duplicate contact you want to delete from here. Here, you can view and edit this contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.